You are looking for something. Looking for something. Now you are very worried that you can find. Who's all your body? All your body. Now you are very sad. Very sad. No stress. Don't change the velocity. So much relax. Now it's worse. Oh.
It's giving, Madame Lilian.
Maybe a little bit longer. Okay. Too much.
Yes.
Maybe a little bit longer. Okay. Too much.
Yes.
So you can become not very clever woman. Who speaks alone?
Vile omusajja ow'amaanyi gesa kuba.
And the character can be there. This one, the character from the train. Some people don't speak it this way. Also, the washing machine. And so the character
This is the one, huh? It says the Angie!
Are you tired?
Because I'm coming at the same time doing this.
clown that about the exaggeration. Okay, here to exaggeration. Allora, for example, now we study the shading coma. Yeah, very fun. When you are totally drunk and you notice the other people, you do that. Naturally, if you are a clown, you not only do that, but you have to exaggerate. And so you get, I want to know. First, the menace. I show by look at it. You can put over or up. Go in front, yeah. Side. Some warming from the hands. Very good. 3 times. Big. More big. Wow. You take the... Stop. Look in the eyes. Slow motion. Stop, no. Can you stop, Natalie? Not yet possible. Okay. Here. And after, for example, if you are the public, it's fine. I can do that. Pass only. Only here. Okay. And so, 4. Yes, there. You have to do that. Okay. Give me, look. Okay. If you not on the belly, pay attention. More beautiful than this one. Top. You jump. Okay. And open. You open the before. You open the knees and so on. If you are busy, so open. the last are very straight, not like that. Straight. The wrestling they do it every time. Something. So it's easy because the papers, but you need to do from one side. And so you're here, I'm here, give me a kick. Give me a kick.
Kick him.
Okay.
Kick him. I know. But he told them to kick him.
Got a jump. Okay? The kickers make the noise. Repeat the noise. Also, you can say the noise.
Oh.
Okay. And jump. This leg. You stop now.
Baru kuat sih dah ni.
You can make a cake like that. I can do it next. You can create a lot of kind of cake. This kind of the most beautiful, I need the egg blessing clear, please. Okay. Why I choose not because it's my kind. Because, for example, if this man give me a knock, it's normal because he's a young man, very handsome, and so okay, it's normal. Before there was a children, it was better. You can go to me and menace me. I have here and so the leg. Now put the head here.
Put the hand.
Head, your head. No, the hand.
The hand.
Head, fixed. Now, do nothing. I do everything me. I have here, naturally, I want to try to give away the head. And so I put the head. Now I do. Don't do nothing.
Like that.
Oh my God! I don't need to do. But the big thing guys, not if not, it's dangerous. Okay. And for the noise, you can do that. Okay, try to do it. Be fair. Guarda.